Next, 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible, red over black, which is a great color for those.
Yeah.
8,800 title verified actual miles, we think. We don't know for sure. Right. That's what the title says.
Yeah.
So we'll go with the title. Most of them get exempted after 10 years, which can be a good thing or a bad thing. If you're, if you know the car, if grandma only drove it 8,000 miles, and Pennsylvania or your whatever state you're in puts exempt on it, kind of hurts the value of it.
It's true.
Because then you can't really have it. You don't have any documentation and paperwork to follow. Now, cars built after 1981. You got Carfaxes, which will kind of trace the lineage and history of the car and how many miles and all that. But not always easy to know. This one's got 1,600 cc flat 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual transmission, rust-free example.